Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you my 6 ideas for creating a passive income in 2022. And I'm going to start with a YouTube channel. And I have made a video in this channel if it is worth the YouTube channel in 2022. So if you want a YouTube channel, you go and watch that video. So to start a YouTube channel is not difficult. You need to go in the YouTube, you need to have a Gmail account, go and log in with Gmail account in YouTube and go and create a new channel. But to start monetizing the YouTube channel, you need to have at least 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours, which is a little bit too much, but you need to have a passion. Okay, the second one is selling a digital product. A digital product is a PDF, is a video or a MP3, a template, a plugin. And if you have one of them, or you can create one of them, you can go and sell in the right places. So for example, for templates and plugins, I find this ThemeForest website. You can go and sell your own here. Here we have many themes, templates, plugins, logo, and so on. Okay. The next one is selling a course. So if you have a course, the first website I find which is more popular is Udemy. And here you have many categories. So development, if your course is about development, you can go and, or business or finance, IT, software, office, and design, marketing, music, and all of that. Also, I find the Teachable to be very good. So if you have a course I want to sell, I recommend this too. The next one is starting a blog. Now, if you think it's not a good idea to start a blog in 2022, I'm not with you, because you can find in YouTube many bloggers who is making a lot of money in 2022 with blog. So if you want to start, you can go and learn more about Blogger, or subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to create a new video where we can I'm going to create a new blog for me. Okay, so to start a blog we need to buy a domain. So for example, youtube.com, which is domain. Also we need to buy a host where we can host the blog, and install WordPress, which is more popular, and create a blog. So if you like, you can subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to create a video about that. The next one is building an app or a website. So if you are good with coding, you can create an application or a website, and you can sell in the, I find this domain, flippa.com, this website. Go and sell your website. We have here also application and also domains, so you can buy domain and sell it in here. Websites, so we have this editor choice. Let's see what we, and this one is 7.5 million. You see how much you can sell. You can earn a lot of money. This one is 1.4 million. Okay, but this website is also has selling something or monetizing with AdSense, this one. Okay, And the last one, which is becoming an affiliate marketer. And to become an affiliate marketer, you need to have at least one social account when you can promote the links, or to have a blog. This is very good if you have a blog and want to earn money not only from AdSense or ads, but also by promoting links from different companies. And one of them is the Amazon affiliate program. And if you are a starter, I think the Amazon is the best place to go and sign up. And here we have recommend products and earn commission from that. Okay, so you can in Amazon you have many products. You link in your blog the product, and you can, if the customer go from your blog to the Amazon and buy that product, you can earn the commission. Okay friends, that's it, my 6 ideas to earn passive income in 2022. If you like the video and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one. All the best.